Do you know why your stomach growls when you're hungry? That rumbling sound actually has a name, borborygmi. Yeah, it sounds weird, but it's totally normal. Your stomach and intestines are constantly moving food, gas and fluids around, even when they're empty. When you haven't eaten for a while, your brain sends signals to your digestive muscles to start contracting again, like a reminder that it's time to eat. Those movements squeeze air and fluids together, creating the growling sound you hear. So it's not your stomach being dramatic. It's just doing its job and saying, "Hey, feed me!" Follow for more fun body facts.